has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor out to mid-lake, until 9 p.m. At 6:56 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 nautical miles southwest of Pleasant Prairie to 32 nautical miles west of Waukegan Harbor, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Waukegan Harbor and Winthrop Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service